All right, what's up, everybody? Today, I've got one of my proteges here, Mr. Halal Bilal, aka Bilal Salim. And this is a guy, what are you, like 2 years in now, a year and a half?
Yeah, 2 years will be this July.
There's a lot of new agents out there that try the social media. I think everybody's tried the social media thing, and a very small percentage of agents have actually seen success in it. So what makes you different? First off, what type of content have you been shooting? And why have you seen success? And tell me about, let's get into what type of success have you seen?
Well, I've seen different types of success from being on social media. And honestly, the best one is probably the financial success that I've seen from it. When I wasn't on social media, I was just doing the like calling, door knocking, whatever else it takes to be a realtor. And honestly, that just was not it for me. I was doing like maybe one deal every 6-7 months. But as soon as I got on social media, doing things the way that I was taught to do it, I was doing like 2 deals a month, 3 deals a month, something like that. Yeah, which was feels pretty nice.
How are these people finding you, and how do they reach out to you, and like what type of business are you getting from it?
I used to post videos of me talking about the market, and I would get like 1 lead every couple weeks. So I wasn't seeing any returns from it. And mind you, I was doing like 1 or 2 videos every couple weeks. I wasn't being consistent with it. But then you told me like, hey, why don't you try this? Do property tour videos, do it every day. And when I started doing that, on the 30th day, one video blew up, got me 200K views. Leads were coming in very consistently after that.
All it took was one video to essentially launch your social media career, where now things are kind of starting to snowball and you're getting a decent amount of views on everything.
Yeah, pretty much. It took just that one video after 30 days of consistency for all my videos now to be regularly doing a couple thousand, getting me 1-2 leads per day, and they're all inbound leads.
So this is basically what I tell pretty much every single new agent. If you want to go the social media route, I would just say do property tours. You don't really need to know anything about anything. You don't need to have this like tumultuous investing background or any of these things. Because if you just go shoot a property tour video every day for 90 days, your business will be completely different within 90 days, which is pretty much exactly what happened.
Right? Yeah.
And how were you able to stay consistent? Because most people shoot 5 videos and they just give up.
To be honest, the biggest thing for me is consistency. I lack consistency in a lot of aspects of life, but that is starting to change. And the first thing that changed was the videos. The way I got into a consistent habit of posting videos was having someone hold me accountable every single night, checking in with me like, hey, did you post your video? Have you done this yet? And that person was the man himself, Connor over here. But yeah, if you want to do something consistently, you gotta get yourself accountability buddy that will keep you accountable, and you can keep them accountable, and you guys can move forward together.
So how do you find that person?
It's definitely tough finding someone with the same drive as you. You just gotta meet people, look around your office. Social media.
And then you did what?
And I reached out to him like, yo, I'm becoming a realtor. Let me sign up.
But you had the balls to reach out to me and be like, dude, I want to join you at XYZ and learn and blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, that's exactly what it was. People don't realize this, but like the best place to meet people is social media nowadays. The most successful people are networking with each other through social media. That's how everyone knows each other nowadays.
And the thing is like, if you're a new agent, you really have to take initiative and show that you're willing to learn. Like I always say, like, I'm willing to help anybody who reaches up. If I have to reach down to help you, I'm not going to help, right? And that's the same for any high-performing individual. They just don't have the time. They're not really thinking about you all the time to actually have to reach down to help you. The thing with Bilal here is he actually took the initiative to reach out for help and look for the answers. Looking back in hindsight, you've kind of found what works for you, and all you need to do is execute that, and then your business should grow every year, and you should snowball and get new clients and get repeat clients, and all the people that buy homes with you will eventually turn into listings 3 to 5 years from now, and your business should grow every single year, right? Mm-hmm. What do you say? Like, what's your one piece of advice to somebody who's just getting licensed right now? How can they be successful on social media?
No matter what it is that you're posting, have a daily minimum and follow that daily minimum for at least 2 years, and do not miss a single day if you want to see success in anything. Just consistency.
Dan Martell posted this video the other day, and he was like, basically, if you do anything for 36 months consistently, fully focused, your life will be completely in a different place in 36 months. And it's been now it's been about 34 months since I've been licensed. And if I look back at my life 34 months ago, it's not even recognizable, right? Not even recognizable whatsoever. So if you literally just pick one thing and you're consistent and you're fully focused, no drinking, smoking, cut out all your distractions, go to the gym every morning, build yourself up, self-educate, all these things, you're fully focused for 36 months, there's no way that your life isn't going to be at a completely different place. It'll feel like the changes are happening so slowly, and then suddenly you'll look back and be like, holy shit, I don't even recognize that person anymore, right? Where do we go from here now? What's the goal? What's the plan for you, bro?
The goal is build a social media presence where no matter what happens to the real estate market, I have some sort of business running.
Love it, bro. Where can the people find you?
People can find me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook at Salim Holmes. You know what to do. Better call below.
So this guy was one of my first people that went through the Viral Agent course. So if you're watching this and you need that extra help, I've got a link to the Viral Agent down in the description there. Make sure you sign up, shoot me a message, keep me posted on the results. Love to hear from all you guys. Other than that, I'm that Agent Kelly. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.